Hey guys, in this review, I've got an unboxing of new shoes for the Ego 2-stage snowblower. I am going to unbox, I am going to install, and I'm also going to demo. So stay tuned. Okay guys, let's crack this brown box open. See what's in it. Take a good close-up look at these guys. All right, now they don't make an exact part for the Ego 2-stage snowblower. So I worked with the company to come up with some measurements, and we are going to see what these look like, and we're going to see if these actually fit. So for now, let's take a good look at these guys and see what they look like. All right, take a little razor blade action over here. All right. Sharpen this razor blade, huh? It's about that time. Oh, man. Now, you get two of these guys, okay? You get two of these. But who wants to deal with plastic skids when you can have metal skids? Check that out. I mean, these are thick. I don't know what gauge they are, but these are thick, okay? Look at those. Huh? I mean, these are strong, man. These are, I mean, I don't know, in comparison to the plastic ones. Again, you do get two, but looks like the welds are pretty good. All right. It looks like, you know, and I could be wrong, but it looks like they've got plenty of holes as far as how you screw these in. Okay, that's what I believe these are. But nice lift. And so when you're, and I'm going to show you this in action too, at least I don't have any snow, but I'm going to show you how they act. You know, when you're on that sidewalk and you're just pushing the snowblower, right? And you're like banging, you know, your unit up against those cracks. Well, this is actually just going to lift it and let it glide past it. That's the goal of this, okay? And you can raise them and lower them to my knowledge. So, yeah, guys, good stuff. All right, good close look. Now, let me go ahead and see what they look like installed. All right, guys, so here is the girl that has not been able to get used yet because we haven't had snow. But I'm getting her all dressed up because when we get snow, we want to be ready. So as you saw earlier in the video, I did get some skids. And, you know, I wanted to change out these plastic guys, right? You know, these are plastic skids, and, you know, I want to put metal skids in. It'll put a little weight on, not much. But, you know, when you look at that versus this, oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So let's see if they fit. All right, I'm going to take this off and pretty much go through, you know, seeing if they fit. So I'll be back. I'm going to unscrew the plastic ones, and then we'll go from there. All right, so these are on pretty tight. So I'm going to go ahead and use a wrench to just loosen them up a little bit. All right, make sure I got the right way. Just a little hammer. Just to loosen them a little bit. You know, you don't want to strip these guys. Okay. And we can use the drill the rest of the way. Make sure they fit too, that's the thing. These are not tested. Oops. How about we put it, loosen that up. Nice thick washer. Pull that off. Get a good look at that. Okay. Now, plastic or steel? Let's see. Cross your fingers. That's how I would want it. Honestly, I'd want it up a little further. You know, so actually this is pretty cool, guys. They actually fit. So I'm gonna put these on, screw them in. Oh man. And then, so I don't want to tighten them all the way because I think they probably have a little lift. I could be wrong, but I'm just gonna put them on for now. And honestly, I have to go on the other side and push the screw in while I'm tightening the bolt. Now, while the camera is close and stuff, the one thing I want you to see is these are adjustable, right? So if you want these to take most of the, you know what it is? I think at the end of the day, guys, let me show you something. Let me pull the camera out. So I think you want these even, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm going to double check it. But I don't think I want to lift these up because you want this to be, I would believe, touching the ground to get the snow, right? So I'm going to play with this. Do I lift this up a little bit? Or do I leave this even with these guys? So that's the question, right? So let me finish the installation and we'll see where we go. Guys, if you get these, by the way, when you install them, you want to make sure the thin part is in the back and the thicker part is in the front. You can make a mistake and put this on the wrong side of the SnowBlower, and then if you have that in the front, go ahead and unscrew them. So it should be thicker and wider in the front. Guys, the way I installed it, just so you'll know, is this is the front of the SnowBlower, obviously. So I installed it on the last one, and then obviously I went over 2 more so that I have a little more of it up here instead of it being kind of even. So I'm not sure if that's good or bad. And then again, this goes on the outside, but that's how I did it. All right, guys, so I installed both of them, and I've got some feedback for you. And the feedback is you're going to have to lower these. Again, I'm just experimenting here. I didn't get any information from the company yet. But the reason why you'll have to lower these is because it is dragging from the center, which means it's probably still going to get caught up on the sidewalk. And so I'm going to raise these a little bit, okay? So the bottom is slightly raised, and these guys are contacting the concrete and the floor. Okay, temporarily I'm putting just a shim in the center of it for now. I'll be honest, I will not have a gap like that so snow gets through. So don't worry, I'm not doing that. This is a little higher than what I'd like, but I'm going to lower these and still leave room, and we'll see how it works out. Guys, after you get these right, I highly recommend that you go back and tighten these the same way I loosened them. Okay, otherwise they will get loose. I've already experienced that. So I highly recommend just making sure these guys are tight. All right? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. And check out Brooklyn. She's wagging her tail for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. You'll get notified of new videos and you'll join the family. Also, contact us or follow us on Instagram or Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.